Welcome to Chicago, the city of big shoulders and bold ambition. In Watch Dogs, Ubisoft has created an immersive, hyper-connected playground with new opportunities at every turn. Across historic landmarks and familiar neighborhoods, the city is rendered by a powerful new graphics engine specially built for Watch Dogs. Rich dynamic lighting, weather, and physics affect every element of the game world to create a vivid, living city. Chicago is a bustling metropolis with all types and personalities. And Watch Dogs brings new life to the countless civilians populating the city streets. Each citizen has a unique identity and reacts intelligently to the world around them. Everything and everyone is connected. You can hack into anyone's life. Tap their phones, their music, their accounts. Identify criminals, disrupt communications, roadways, infiltrate private homes. Any of these people could lead to exciting secrets or unexpected events. In Watch Dogs, the opportunities come to you. You have control over a vast digital network. But remember, your choices have consequences. Police don't want a vigilante on the loose, and the media will plaster your image on the news.
CTOS threat monitoring subject, Aiden Pierce.
I can see him.
And if you cross the wrong citizen, you risk a bounty on your head. You may be forced into the darker corners of Chicago. The city is designed to surprise you. Any citizen could be a victim, a killer, or another player lurking inside your game. Connection is power, and you can use that against other players in the online community. Anyone could be your enemy, and anyone can be watching when you least expect it. Watch Dogs delivers endless possibilities, challenging players to observe, to discover, and to invent new ways to connect with the world. It puts the power of a city in the palm of your hand. And it begs the question, what will you do with that kind of power?